What should you say if somebody sneezes in Turkish? I mean, let's say I just sneezed. People around me would say çok yaşa, which means live long. Now I have two options. Sen de gör and hep beraber. If I were with only one other person, I would say sen de gör, and it means you see that too. But if I'm with more than one person, then I would say hep beraber. That means all together. It's the short form of hep beraber görelim, and which means